Well, hello seniors, class of 2014. Well, I'm Brandon Spencer. I'm the Residential Life Coordinator for the upper class area, and this is your October edition of the monthly newsletter. Just a few quick reminders. On October the 4th through the 6th, we'll be having our Fall Family Weekend. This is an opportunity for you to bring your family and friends out to visit campus and just experience everything that Trinity has to offer. Also, on that same weekend, October the 4th, which is the first Friday of the month. Each first Friday of the month, Residential Life Office sponsors a program entitled Upper Class Breakfast. It's an opportunity for you to, of course, have free breakfast, opportunity to mingle with fellow upperclassmen, and to meet staff members from different departments on campus. Please take part of this great and fun event. With that said, we want you to also think about your senior year and enjoying your senior year and thinking about the type of alumni that you want to be. It's the opportunity for you to become a member of a very prestigious club, and it is someone who has a degree from Trinity University, Trinity alumnus. So be mindful of that, take that very seriously, and be proud of your institution. As always, I'm Brandon Spencer. Please feel free to contact me with any questions or concerns regarding the upper class area. Thank you.